Here you need to find the value of x. Right now, here you need to know few theorems. Isosceles triangle, they tell no EB and EA equal, right? So this is isosceles triangle. You need to know about that, and also alternate segment theorem. Now, little bit difficult to understand alternate segment theorem, so that's why I will write here and try to explain little bit. Now, when you have like this a circle, when you have tangent to the circle like this, at the tangent point, if you make a chord like this, right, this chord subtended angle, right, that means now this chord go to the circumference like this, like this angle, right, this chord subtended angle, this angle will be equal to the angle between this chord and the tangent, that means this one, right. Try to understand, these two will be equal, right. I need to show you that person. Now here they tell no AC is the tangent, AC is the tangent, and here this is the chord EB, you can think as the chord, right. This is the chord, EB is the chord, and AC is the tangent. So tangent and the chord between, we have 40 degree. This angle will be equal to the angle this chord subtended at circumference like this. This one, this is the chord, this subtended angle is here, this one. This one will be equal to this one, that means here also 40, right. Try to understand, this is the tangent, this is the chord. This chord must be at the tangent point. Tangent point mean the tangent touch the circle. At that point, you need to make the chord. Right? This chord subtended angle. That means this chord go like this way. This chord from this end and from this end subtended angle like this way to the circumference. This will be equal to the angle between this chord and the tangent, that means here 40, so here also 40, right. Try to understand that. And then now you know, when you have isosceles triangle, this is actually in my previous videos, I in most of the questions this will come, so I explain though in those questions also. Now when you have in a triangle, isosceles triangle, we have two sides equal. Now this is not look like equal, that's why they tell diagram is not to scale. Anyway, now EB equal to EA, they tell no here. So that's why this opposite angle of this equal sides, right, this angle to this this side equal to this side, that this side opposite angle is this one, this side opposite angle is this one, that means if this is 40, this also 40, right. Try to understand that also. Then now we learn another theorem like this, right. I will draw a code into the this diagram to get the idea. Now like this way, if you know this two angle, this two will be equal to the this angle, right. That means this angle equal to total addition of these two, right. We normally learn when you have a triangle extended one side, extended one side, we will have exterior angle. This exterior angle will be equal to interior opposite angle, right. Total of the interior opposite angle, that means this two will be equal to this one, right. Here and here add together, it will be equal to this. So here also like that, this is, if you consider ABE triangle, this is the extended side you need to consider, then this angle will be equal to what, this plus this, here 40, here 40, so this should be 80, right. Try to understand, right. This plus this will be equal to this. Okay, now we have this angle 80, this angle 40. Now you can find x, so you can write what, the 80 plus 40 plus x will be equal to 180, total of the interior angle, right. You can write some more work in here. You can tell this angle equal to this because isosceles triangle, and what the EDB equal 40, for the reason alternate segment theorem, like that with the reason, right. I need to show you how to do this, not the writing, right. Anyway, now here the final step will be like this, here the reason you can write interior angle of a triangle. right? Now here will be what, the 120 plus x will be 180. So here 120 into this side, so it will be minus, this is plus 120, no, when I bring to here it minus, so it will be here what, the 60 degree. So x equal 60 degree